talking about the Kawasaki fun bike range. Kawasaki have a KFX50cc four-wheeler and a KFX90 for all you four-wheeler fans. For all you two-wheeler fans just like me, Kawasaki have a huge range of KLXs, starting with the KLX110, just like my bike, ranging right up to the KLX140L. My bike is a KLX110 and I absolutely love it. Dad and I have personalised this bike just for me, with a Ringmaster sticker kit that looks outstanding. I love this sticker kit because it has all of my favourite colours and it has my name and number at the front. We put a Yoshimura exhaust system and it looks awesome. And the Pirelli tyres really make the bike stick to the ground. I love riding my bike because it's a smooth and safe ride. I love that there's no clutch because I can put it in the second gear and go. But when I do get better, Kawasaki have a clutch model 110. My 110 is so easy to start with the electric button, making it a breeze to ride. The power on my 110 is really smooth. And there's plenty of power, even my brother and dad get on my bike, which I do not like. The suspension on my 110 works really well. It even suits my brother's riding style. If you're in the market to buy a fun bike, check out your Kawasaki dealer. Hurry into your Kawasaki dealer for a $300 gift card on all the fun bikes, valid until the end of January 2020.